went shopping, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Okay, here we go. I went to Ulta, and I believe I had 125 cash dollars for me to use. So let me see what I got. Okay, so let's go with some oils, okay? The first one I got is the Vita Coco coconut oil. I got this one because I wanted to see if it will go well with my hair. I have really frizzy hair, so that's why I wanted to try it out. And the next thing I got are these Tropica organic coconut hot oil hair mask. I've seen a lot of people use these, and they say that it is bomb.com, so I wanted to try it out. So that's why I got these. I got 2 of these, and it just feels like coconut oil. But since my hair is really damaged, I wanted to try it out to see if it does really work. I believe I have the receipt here. Let me see. These were $3.99 a packet. So with my discount, I only paid 59 cents for these. And I only had 2, so that's all that I got. And you're only supposed to use it once a week, so that's why. Next, after the hair, I got my favorite face moisturizer. I use this every day, and it makes my skin not break out. It makes it very radiant, so it's shiny, but it is really good. Not like oily shiny, you know. And I really like this. This is my favorite. I use this every day. And then I got this 60-second in shower facial. It's also by Aveeno. I wanted to try this out because it says that it is a cleanser. It reveals brighter and rejuvenate skin in just 1 minute. The moisture, rich soy and lemon peel extract. So I'll update you guys to see how this one goes. And I believe this one you are only supposed to use it 1 to 2 times a week, because you don't want to peel so much oil out of your skin that it's not gonna look pretty. Okay, sorry, I just got out of the shower. My hair is a little crazy. And then the next one is a 48-hour hydration. This one is also from Aveeno. It's supposed to hydrate your skin while you sleep. I wanted to try this out because you know, sometimes when I wake up, I feel like my skin is very dry. So I wanted to try it to see if it will make my skin look nicer, so I don't have those discoloration patches. The next one I got, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a brow wiz. I got this in the color Granite, and I wasn't really sure. It was either this one or the one next to the Granite. But that one looks a little bit too red, and I've never tried Anastasia, and I really wanted to try it. So that's why I got it. And let me see here if I can take it out. I've never tried it, so I wanted to see if it will go well with me on my eyebrows, because you guys know I draw my eyebrows in. Not every day, but you know, most of the days I do. So there you guys go. Sorry, this way. This way. One side has the really skinny. If you guys can see that. And then the other side is just spoolie. Every time I always forget what they're called. I don't know why. And then I got this Give Me More Brow. This one, I saw somebody doing a video on it. It is supposed to, it has like those synthetic fake lashes that it's supposed to give your eyebrows more brows. So that's why I got it. So I am gonna try that out to see if I like it. And then I picked up another, they're real. I use this on my eyelash and I love these. I love this one so much. So when I was standing in line, you know, they always have those kiosks where it's like right next to the register. And I was like, if I really like this, what if I try something else from, you know, Benefit. So this is how it looks like. I love this. This one was $25. But with my discount, I got it for $3.68. It's pretty expensive. I normally just get the small, the travel size one, but I was like, hey, if I got money to use, well, why not get the big one? And then I got this one. This one, I have not tried it. Bad Gal Bang. That's what it is. So I always want to see how it looks like, you know. So that's how it looks like. Yes. Let's see how the brush looks like, because you know the brush is always the deal breaker. Oh, okay. So it's really similar to the other one. It just doesn't have the end here like the other one. But we'll see how it looks like. It's really cute. I think this one has more grip than the other one. And last but not least, I got this Morphe M444 brush. I love the Morphe M439, but when I was at Ulta, I was looking at the brush, and look at that, you guys. It's a lot shorter than the M439. Let me see if I have that. Okay, you guys see that? Like this one is more dome, and the brush is longer, and this one is shorter. You know, it's still the same size, but it's just a lot shorter. And the reason why I got this one is my foundation that I use. Is really thick. I feel that with this brush right here, a lot of it goes into the brush, so I don't get a lot of it in my face. But I wanted to try this to see if I would get more product out of my foundation than with this brush. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I will update you guys to see if I like this brush better. So without further ado, that's all that I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or any comments, just leave it down in the comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.